Go home happy with the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This good-looking CR-V Hybrid delivers future-focused efficiency, convenient versatility, and a rugged sense of adventure. Modern style, forward-thinking innovation, spacious comfort, and an impressive array of safety and infotainment tech make this crossover ideal for today's active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Get more out of every journey in this thoughtfully designed CR-V Hybrid. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.